We have already seen how to create a quotation and send it to the customer. Now when the customer accepts the quote and sends us the confirmation, we would do our next step. Go to Sales tab and open the quotation screen. Under the Quotate tab, you will find the quotation. Open the quotation and click on the Confirm Order button. This action will convert the quotation into an order. You will notice that the quotation number is changed to an order number. You can find the complete action trail on this order by clicking on the history icon here. While creating an order, system may warn you about two things. If the quotation contains items having stock lower than being offered, a warning message will appear if that is the case. In Sparrow ERP, you can define credit limit of each customer. That way, a customer cannot have more than certain limit of sale on credit. At the time of registering the order, system will check the credit limit and show a warning message if current order amount is above that. The order will be listed in Orders section under the Pending tab. Open the order we just created. You will notice there are additional fields now, such as ship date, invoice and shipping addresses. Now at this point, the order flow can take one of multiple paths depending on the stock status of our order items. If you are having enough stock of all products in the order, then you can essentially ship the order right away by clicking the Ready for Shipment button. If you do not have enough stock of the products, then it comes down to how your product's procurement route is set. In case of trading, it would be buy route, and in case of you are a manufacturer, it would be make to order or make to stock route. In any of the above case, you will have to first do the procurement of the items. We will do that in one of our next videos.